up, guys? So McTunin sent us a new updated style rock light for the Razor. Now we've ran all our LEDs have been the rock lights have been McTunin. So these are the old set that I currently have on the Razor right now. I'll just have this. These are for somebody else, but we're gonna compare the old to the new and see how they compare. So the biggest thing that I've noticed so far just from looking at them before opening them all up and stuff is the available colors. Now, this has got a red, blue, yellow, green, and then on the new ones it's got a red, blue, yellow, green, white. So these actually have a true white color. On the older style, when you tried to turn it to white, it was just like 3 different colors blended together to make it look like white, and it just didn't look right. Not saying that this is a bad kit. This is a great kit. And I've ran it. It's great for side-by-sides. It's definitely waterproof, because I know that we've ran it all up in the mud and the water, and it's been underwater for countless of minutes and long periods of time, and it's definitely waterproof. Hasn't gave me any trouble. So let's open them both up and check out the differences. So pretty much everything is different, so to say. You know, it's the same concept, but fully renewed design. Let's see, the first thing we'll check out are the actual LEDs. Now this is the old set that I have. It's got the 3 little LEDs in there, clear little thing, and they're made of some kind of metal. That's really nice. And it of course comes with the mounting hardware to mount it to cages and all that stuff. And then on the new one, the same, it's metal. This one actually has their name on it. It's got their logo, and the LED looks like a different kind of LED. So hopefully it'll be brighter. Another thing I'm noticing is the wires. If you compare the two together, they're noticeably thicker than new ones are. So that's a plus. All the wiring seems thicker on the newer one. The boxes, this is the old box. It's just plastic. And like I said a while ago, they seal them up good because mine is mounted under my seat, so that mainly stays underwater a lot of time, and it works really well. And here's the new box, and I'm sure it will be just as good on the sealed off part. It looks a lot better made. It looks just a lot nicer. They're about the same weight. This one feels a tad bit heavier, but not that that really matters. And on the wiring side, where you'll hook it up to your battery, this again is the old kit. It's just got your 2 wires, goes straight to your box. And on the new one, it's got your 2 wires. You got a little bit more space to work with on these, which is really nice, because I had trouble last time when I installed these getting them spread apart. I had to cut the wire back and pull them apart further. Not a big deal, but this will make it a lot easier. And this one also comes with a fuse, and in the ends they already come with connectors to put them straight on your battery. So cool thing about these is you don't need a rocker switch to run these. You can run them straight off your phone. You can do it via Bluetooth, and you just download the app, and it'll let you turn them on, turn them off, and it doesn't drain your battery or anything like that. So that's real cool. So yeah, and like I said, at the end of this video it'll have a little box pop up, and you'll click on watch this video, and I'll make sure that the video is the one where we installed the older set on here, so y'all be able to see how bright they are and how they work and stuff. so you can check that video out also. But we're gonna get to taking these off and rewiring the new one. That's always the fun part. Not really. But yeah, we have them mounted right there. You can see they're pretty dirty. Haven't cleaned the razor up really good. And then on the back, they're mounted right there. I didn't use bolts or nothing. I just drilled holes and did zip ties. It's always just a little bit easier to do that. One breaks, you can just cut it off, and just like that. And then I used a little rubber mount so they wouldn't vibrate or anything. And I have them wired. Excuse the dirtiness, but I have them wired up down here. I just stuck the box off in that hole. But yeah, we'll get to taking it all out and putting the new one in, and we will I might show y'all some tips on how I ran my wires through. It's not really hard at all. Anybody can figure it out. But yeah, we'll pop back up and we'll check out these things, see how they work, see what they look like at night. I'm definitely gonna love the white color because, I don't know, it just looks good, it looks clean. We'll check out other lights and y'all can compare them through the different videos and see how they look. Alright guys, so we got everything on. I'm gonna pull it under the carport after I show y'all what they look like, but here they are. You got your app, you'll just Bluetooth it to it, hit on. So this is the color changing. It is definitely way brighter. I know you can't tell from the camera, but it is way brighter. And also, just from looking at the old ones to the new ones, the colors are more, I don't know how to say it really, they're more pure, like they actually look like the color that you clicked on. But yeah, they are super bright. I wish I could be here in person to see it. I don't know if y'all ride around the places that I do. We may see each other at a park and you can check them out there. Now let's see, I've done set up a custom color and do the white. So that is pure white, and that is my favorite. I feel like it shows off your suspension and your wheels the best. And it just looks really good. The white is super bright too. And it'll also come in handy if, let's say, you gotta take your tire off and change the axle in the middle of the night, or change a belt, or your tie rod's done popped out, you gotta screw it back in, or just something, you know, random like that. That white light will give you more than enough light while you're doing whatever you gotta do. But guys, y'all be sure to check out McTuning. I got all kind of LED accessories. I got light bars, light pods, of course the rock lights, and then other kind of LED strips and all that kind of stuff. It's a really great system. I 100% recommend them because they haven't let me down yet. But anyways, I'll catch y'all guys on the next video. I appreciate y'all for watching. Be sure to like this video and don't forget to subscribe. We'll see y'all on the next one.